Hi, today's topic some numerical problem on discount and tax. Problem number 1. Kajol bought a mobile phone listed at rupees 14,000. If she got a discount of 5 by 2% on it and paid tax at the rate of 10%, find the final amount she paid for the phone. Therefore, therefore sale price is equal to and then he paid tax at the rate of 10%. So this is the answer, final amount she paid for the phone. Total amount she paid is equal to rupees 15,000. A trader marks his goods 30% above the cost price and allows a discount of 25%. What he gain or loss percent? So let B cost price is equal to or CP is equal to rupees 100. Therefore, as per question, %30 above the cost price and discount 25%. Therefore, selling price is equal to market price minus discount is equal to market price 130 rupees minus discount money 32.5 rupees is equal to rupees 97.5. Loss is equal to CP minus SP. CP is equal to 100 and SP is equal to 97.5, 2.5 rupees. Therefore, loss percentage is equal to This is the answer. Question number 3. Find the single discount equivalent to two successive discounts of 25% and 20%. Let be market price ₹100. Discount gain on it is equal to 25% of market price is equal to ₹25. Therefore, reduce price after first discount is equal to ₹75. Next and second discount. Next or second discount price after second discount is equal to ₹60. SP is equal to ₹60. Net discount market price is equal to sell price ₹40. So single discount equivalent to two successive discount is equal to 40%. This is the answer. The price of a TV set inclusive of tax is ₹18,500. If the rate of the tax is 15%, find its basic price and amount of tax. Let basic price be X. Tax is equal to 15% of basic price is equal to. So basic price inclusive tax is equal to X plus 15x by basic price include tax is equal to 115x by 100. As per question, therefore X basic price rupees and tax amount is equal to This is the answer. Thank you.